Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting recording control now. Make sure the headset is on and usable. Once seated, press the right controller Oculus button to bring up the universal menu. You do this because stopping happens from the share panel, so open it now. Look toward the bottom row of icons and select the share icon. It looks like a square with an arrow. Doing these first steps places you directly where the recording controls live. Make sure you see the recording indicator before moving to the next step. Now that the share panel is open, choose Capture or the Recording submenu. This is where stop controls reside. You'll see a red recording indicator and a stop recording button. Tap it with the controller to end capture immediately. If a confirmation appears, select Save so your clip isn't discarded. Once you stop, you can head to the gallery through Share to preview the saved clip. This is why confirming save matters, because otherwise the footage can be lost. Make sure the recording indicator goes away. Finish by checking the gallery to confirm the clip saved correctly, then transfer clips via the Oculus mobile app or USB if you want backups. If stop doesn't respond, try closing the current app or rebooting the headset. That often resets the recording state. You can also try the voice command or open quick settings and toggle recording as an alternative. If problems persist, free up storage space and retry. Because low storage commonly prevents successful saves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.